Who's the one eat this cake? Huh? Huh? Okay, this is I was in USA teacher today. Strawberry cake. So this is how.
And this is what we're doing right now.
Yeah, the ingredients is we need whipped cream.
Whipped cream, strawberries, and of course cake.
That's it. Cool Whip. And our
Chef.
the king of
Chef.
king of chef in this demo how to make it.
I want to be in it. And this is what we're basically doing.
Right.
I'm trying to show us, look. We're not even doing strawberry, we're doing
Yeah, that's the only we have
We
because I already
defend
packed
the
all.
strawberries, Mommy Shana. We defend the strawberries. You have to softly cut it.
Well, since one of my kids already ate out of it,
CPR.
Daddy, Mommy Shana said it's Kyla who ate it.
Wow. Just like
none for the person who ate it.
yeah.
You thought I knew?
No perfection here. All right.
Yeah.
You're a perfection.
Perfection. How many times you fight, girls?
None.
All
No.
day, every day.
No.
Every minute.
No, he's lying.
Oh yeah.
No, he's lying. He is lying.
Are you?
Kyla.
Do you love each other? You just like acting like a showbiz. Oh no, guys! Actually, every minute they are fighting.
They're lying. They've never seen us. They never.
You love each other. Okay, let me see how you love each other. Oh, see, Kyla is not. Ah, yucks.
Oh, how many times you guys already argued?
no.
You only argued 2 times.
Two
Don't
times?
lie. 2 times. Kyla.
Oh, we just fought your daddy because of you. We argue because of you, girls. Ah. So you're a bad influence.
Well, it's not
the two of
our
you.
fault, it's yours. I wanted to start the argument.
Ooh, love,
Yeah, babe.
are you going to argue me?
Am I going to argue?
Yeah,
We
What is
love,
that a trick question?
we love each other also, right?
Yes, I love you so
where's your,
very much.
where's my kisses? Mm.
Ew, ew.
Oh, you
What I know.
you
is
recut the one I cut?
that's a stem. You didn't cut out the stem.
Are you arguing with me?
Nope. I'm instructing you. Stem.
If you
Stem.
wanted to taste it good, then you have to take that out.
So they don't have to chew it.
Arte.
What?
Arte.
What? They do this in the stores, don't they?
How many layer? We need to.
Well, if I had 2 cakes, I would make 2. But we don't have 2 cakes. We should have bought 2. And I didn't. That way we can make 2 layers.
All right.
Then it would taste delicious. But we're going to pile on the strawberries and then thinly slice this and then place it over everything.
Wow. Oh, wow. Sweet,
No.
fresh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kyla, did you put your poopy fingers in these?
Hey.
Here we go. Coating the camera. See, I told you guys. There's
No,
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 they're
no.
not fighting.
Now you're lying. You're making drama.
You don't have to. You create it for yourselves.
You guys started the drama now.
We already know, don't we?
Jasper, bite mama. Bite mama that being bad.
Who's trouble maker here in the house?
See, who's the one acting like kids? You two.
What did you do? What is that? Are you trying to make it yucky our cake?
That one and get the queen.
Okay.
Get the
The
what?
bars should say Cool Whip.
Can I?
Don't use anything.
We're going to use it all, loves?
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Actually,
Are we going to put in a microwave or oven? Oh,
Asan.
we just put in a
Okay.
fridge.
Yep.
Asan.
It's not gonna be very, because we didn't get enough Cool Whip either.
Oh, the Cool Whip tastes good.
Loves, we don't have a plastic
What do you mean we don't have plastic?
to cover that.
Why don't we?
No need?
Yeah.
No need. All of us can just eat it. Especially Jasper. Because Jasper's ready to eat. Look at Sean. See, look, he's ready to eat. See? Jasper, you ready to eat?
Yeah, see. Wow. It
Yeah,
looks
have to
like
do it gently.
the whipped cream or Cool Whip is not enough.
Oh, yeah.
I should have got the bigger.
Daddy, remember that? Oh, yeah, my son. It's time for story time from Kiana. One time, we had whipped cream, and we had this game called Pie Face.
Oh.
Dada was too crazy to win. It was after the Grandma Papa's house, Dada went crazy. He's like, why can't you just wait till the game's over?
You want me to make like a special little like fan?
I want to make a heart.
Oh,
I
wow.
want to make a heart. I'm making another heart.
Oh, wow. It's beautiful.
More.
It's enough. So how many minutes or to wait so that we can eat na?
Eat it now?
No need to cover.
Yeah, you should. We don't have no plastic wrap here, right?
We got too much food because why? They're the reason because they're addicted to food.
There you go. Ta-da! Strawberry cake with cream
Strawberry shortcake?
or Cool Whip.
It tastes like strawberry shortcake to me.
Bro, that's what I just said.
Fight again.
No.
You love each other.
Yeah.
Plastic. You know what is plastic is?
What?
What?
What, babe?
I love you.
How does it taste?
Perfect. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and support our channel. Woo!